Okay. Hello to everyone. Previous classes we completed the sine power nx dx and the cos power nx dx. Similarly, all till cot power nx dx is finished. Today, I'm trying to explain the combinational things, that is integration of sine power nx into cos power nx dx. It's very interesting concept. This I'm trying to explain today. Please be concentrate on that. Let us take a question. It is integration sine power mx into cos power nx dx. So question it is I. So the interesting thing is here, because we are writing it is m comma n, that's what I was I m comma n I'll write. The question it is this. Okay. So step number one is I'm trying to multiply this question is sine inverse x into sine x. Step number one. Therefore, the question is becomes, it will become sine m comma n is equal to integration of sine comma m minus 1x, because this I'll compile, right? So cos power nx into sine x to dx. Now question I was changed. Now step number two is you has to use the format of UV concept. This is you can take u, this is you can take entire v. So I'll try to work on that. The u is equal to sine power m minus 1x. Then v is equal to integration of cos power nx into sine x dx. Clear? Let us start applying. Du is equal to x power n. So m into x power m minus 1, m minus 1 minus 1, d by dx of sine x. So next du by dx, this one, right? Now du is equal to m minus 1 into sine power m minus 2. D by dx of sine x is, it's a minus cos x. So plus cos x, right? Plus cos x. D by dx of sine x is cos x. Still any doubt? This is the du value. Still clear? Any doubt? Now v is equal to integration of this. I has to do one thing here. Cos x is equal to t. So dt by dx, cos x derivation is minus sine x. So dt is equal to minus sine x dx. So here v is equal to integration of t power n, sine x is equal to minus dt. So integration, this is minus t n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus t power n. So integration v is equal to cos power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. This is the value of v. Now it's very happy. You have the value of u, you have the value of du, you have the value of u, v also. Let us go for step number 3. Start applying UV concept. UV formula entama UV minus integration of V du. Now let us try to write I m comma n is equal to UV. What's the value of u? You are understanding? Sine power m minus 1. What's the value of v you got? Cos power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus, it is the right minus I wrote. Minus integration of v du. V means what? Same minus. So minus into minus becomes plus. So cos power n plus 1 by n plus 1 v. Du means what? M minus 1 into sin x power m minus 2 into x. D by dx of sin x is cos x dx. This is a portion of du. This is a portion of v. Minus into minus I wrote. Next continuation I will try to do. I m comma n is a question. This is equal to minus sine of m minus 1x into cos power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus m minus 1 take out m minus 1 by n plus 1 integration sine power m minus 2 into cos power n plus 1x into cos x into dx. Clear, Nana? Next continuation, I m comma n is equal to minus sine of m minus 1 into cos power n plus 1. No need of changing of all these things. Just m minus 1 by n plus 1 into integration of sine power m minus 2. This cos power n plus 1 I'll write splitting into cos nx into cos x. here one cos x is already available. This is copy version as is. This total step is splitting into this. This is one of the interesting step it is here. So next case I m comma n, I'll write as is copy plus as is copy m minus 1 by n plus 1 integration sine power m minus 2 x into cos power n as is. You can write it down, nothing wrong in that. Cos x into cos x. What is going to happening is cos square x. This is cos power n, no? This is cos square x I got. Still clear? I'll copy the question in the next page. It becomes very easy to you. I m comma n is equal to minus sine power m minus 1 into cos power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus integration of what is going to happening here m minus 1 by n plus 1. I have to write here, right? M minus 1 by n plus 1 integration sine power m minus 2 cos power n. Sine power m minus 2 into cos power nx into cos square x dx. Still clear? So next step, cos square x, I can write 1 minus sine square x for my convenient. This is one of the next step interesting. So I m comma n is equal to minus sine power m minus 1x into cos power n plus 1 by n plus 1 m minus 1 by n plus 1 integration sine power m minus 2x into cos power nx. Cos square is I'll write 1 minus sine square x dx. This is cos power n. Clear? Now let us try to inside you multiply I m comma n is equal to minus sine m minus nx into cos power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus I'll rewrite multiply m minus 1 by m plus 1 integration sine power m minus 2 into cos power nx, because this show same multiply with this into dx, then minus m minus 1 by n plus 1 integration. This is what is there common to picture. This you need to understand very clearly. M minus 1 by n plus 1 into sine power m minus 2 cos power n into sine power n minus 2. So sine square sine power n minus 2 becomes here it is m minus 2 plus 2. This cancels, sine power n will come mx. Next cos nx as usual into dx. Small interesting concept. This portion I can write I m minus 2 into in. Sorry, m minus 2 comma n, because m comma this portion I can write it. The question look like I m comma n. Here m minus 2 means m minus 2 comma n. So you want im calculation, im I comma n, im comma n, total I should set to left side. Okay. Next step, very interesting. Im comma n plus m minus 1 by n plus 1 into im comma n is equal to minus sine power m minus 1x into cos power n plus 1 by n plus 1. This next continuation m minus 1 by n plus 1 into im minus 2 comma n. Till this there is no doubt at all. Next step I'll try to copy in the next page. I'll take the copy im comma n. I'll take so 1 plus I think so 1 plus m minus 1 by n plus 1. M minus 1 by n plus 1 is equal to minus sine power m minus 1x into cos power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus or minus, I think so. It is plus m minus 1 by n plus 1 I m minus 2 comma n. Still clear? So after the simplification, this value we are going to get, it is m plus 1 by m plus n by n plus 1 will come. I don't want to do entire thing because the things you can do it out. So I m comma n, it is m plus 1 by n plus 1 is equal to, I'll take a common of n plus 1 to complete the thing. So I sin m minus 1x into cos n plus 1 plus m minus 1 into I m minus 2 comma n. So n plus 1 cancel. Next, I'm directly write the answer in the next step. So I want only I m comma n. I directly dividing the entire the thing, that is 1 by m plus n into minus sine of, or if you want to individually, you can write it down. Nothing wrong in that. So you don't need to confuse, eliminate the confusion. I'll write individually only. So that is what, nothing is there here. So you have to write minus sine power m minus 1x into cos power n plus 1x by m plus n, because this m plus n will take out. Next, n minus 1 by m plus n into im minus 2 comma n. I think now you don't have any doubt. I think you got very clearance for this. So this is what im comma n case. Still clear? Any doubt? It is. This is the derivation for this. Please try to understand it is. We'll try to explain once again. This is a step number 1. Multiply sine was this. Step number 2, UV calculation. Step number 3, if you have a doubt, cos x is equal to t, you need to understand to make it integration very simple. Okay. The next step 3 is here cos power n plus 1, you has to assumption is cos power n into cos power n. You has to split because I need to get in cos square. After you getting the next step, it's very interesting. Cos x into cos square x. This is the, after the next case, cos square you need to convert into 1 minus sine square. Then after you multiply inside, this total set up into one term inside. Then you got. After the next interesting unit conversion is there. This is you must be take care. You have m minus 2 how I was converted into this. I think you got my point. This conversion is very important. Then you got, after that im comma n, im comma, question is same. That's what this I was sent to this because I want m comma n. After the common, I got m plus n is top, n minus, so common is n minus 1. The entire thing is cancelling it out. After that, m plus n is left. It is not required. I sent down. So this is the entire proof I got. It is. So till this is no doubt at all. I hope it's very clear to all. Okay. Next, I'll try to take one problem on this, because with this you can understand where you can do this problem. So the question is sine power a 5x cos power 4x dx. Your Telugu Academy textbook problem. Evaluate this. So it look like our model only, I m comma n model. The formula I should write, and I'll go for what I m comma n sine power m minus 1 cos power n plus 1 by n plus n. I'm sorry to say this is not, it's already gone, right? Now it's got a new number m plus n. Okay, any doubt? It is not out. Next, plus m minus 1 by m plus n into I m minus 2 comma n. This is the formula. This formula I'll use every time. Now here the case is what the value of here analysis. So m is right, m is equal to 5, n is equal to 4. Start working over here. I 5 comma 4, because this is integration. This is for this you're working. So please apply the formula here. What is this? My integration you're applying, right? Okay. So integration sine power 5x cos power 4x dx, that is equal to minus sine power m minus 1, right? So 5 minus 1x cos power 4 plus 1x by 5 plus 4 minus 5 minus 1 by 5 plus 4. I 5 minus 2 comma 4. Next continuation, I 5 comma 4 is equal to minus sine of 4x into cos of 5x by 9 minus 4 by 9 bracket of how much this nana I 3 comma 4. Okay, I 3 comma 4. So do one thing, the I 3 comma 4, it is not the final judgment. I 3 comma 4 separately you find out. I 3 comma 4 you start working separate page. This is the case. I 3 comma 4 you find in the next page by using same formula. So I 3 comma 4 according to the formula I m comma n, I'm working over there. What I going to get is here So I'll write a better previous page copy because something here should be clear. I5 comma 4 is equal to minus sine power 4x cos power 5x by 9 plus a 4 by 9 into I3 comma 4. This I3 comma 4 I'm working over here. I3 comma 4 now I'm working. I3 comma 4 means I should work substitute formula. Just will get minus sine square x cos power 5x by 7 plus 2 by 7 of I1 comma 4 will get. But again, I1 comma 4 is not a final judgment. When you take it, find out I1 comma 4. When you're working with I1 comma 4 with a sin m comma n formula, I'm going to get it is a 1 comma, right? Just I'll substitute question it is to understand sin 1x into cos power 4x dx. Because general analysis, no need to go, this is not highest powers. Here the analysis is very simple. If you take here, the trick is there. Cos x is equal to t. Di by dt means what? Minus sin t. So minus, this will be continuation. Minus t power 4 into dt is equal to t power 5 by 5 plus c. Nothing but what you're going to getting it out here, simple for analysis, minus cos power 5x by 5 plus c. This is I come. So now all things are done. You got all exact answers. Now interesting concept is here, resubstitution one to another. I4 comma value you substitute over here. After getting this answer, the total setup is there. You substitute over here, you'll go to get it out. So I was directly writing the answer. I'm trying to approach my level best. I5 comma 4 is minus sine power 4x cos power 5x by 9 plus 4 by 9. This is, this I should copy this, minus sine square x cos power 5x by 7 plus 2 by 7 I1 comma 4 minus cos power 5x by 5 plus c. To simplify entire thing, and I directly answer I5 comma 4, that is integration of sine power 5x into cos power 4x into dx. This is equal to answer minus sine power 4x into cos power 5x sorry by 9 minus 4 by 63 sine square x into cos power 5x minus 8 by 315 into cos power 5x plus c. This is your required answer for your case. So it's a very long trip we went off starting to ending. I took one extra formula, however it off. I think you got very clearance for this. I hope the integration is with this concept. I finished the integration. End of the day, we took more than 25 classes. I was working with the one-to-one concept very clearly. I hope it is very clear. Please, if you are interested, please kindly subscribe to our channel. Then you can write a comment on that. Whatever you're feeling it is after subscribing, please leave a comment for every video. What you're feeling it is. If you have any doubt, comment on that. Why I'm telling to comment means once you make it subscribe to our channel, you will get a links to your mail. You'll get links or you'll get notifications to your mail ID. If you have a mobile phone get a notifications. With that, you can understand one video is uploaded. So that video you can watch directly. No need to wait. No need to check every time. Go to YouTube channel. Okay. I hope it's very clear understanding for you. Okay. Any queries? Please let us know. So we'll clear about this. Okay. Thanks for watching. So continue to watch the rest of the videos in the coming classes. It was uploaded mathematics 2A videos and mathematics 2B videos and maths 1B also available. And 1A I didn't enter that. Every individual separate playlist, separate boxes are there, separate folders. So that particular folder you can go and browse into, watch sequentially. You can watch, don't need to directly end off, sequentially watch 1 2 3 4 like that. You can understand. Thank you. I hope it's very clear. Any doubt, please let us know. Thank you. Bye.